Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to play with some primary colours, blue, yellow and red. As you can see, absolutely love how it turned out, so if you want to know how I got this look then just keep on watching. I'm absolutely obsessed with how it came out. So first off, just going to start off with a shadow shield, and I just placed that down just at the corner of my eye so that whenever I take it off we just have a crisp sharp line. So I kind of have a fair idea of what I'm wanting to go with. Ooh! I'm first off going to go into the Jolie Beauty Proud palette. This is the shade that I'm going to be taking. And I was going to be taking that just on a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is just the brush that you get with the palettes. And I'm just going to be using that wee buff inside just to pack this on the crease. I don't know if it's coming off on camera or not, but you can see the glitter coming through. It's actually not that bad, it's actually quite pretty to be honest, but I don't know, it's just crazy the amount of palettes I have, and I do not have a matte royal blue eyeshadow. And I think I'm going to wing this out a wee bit as well. So I'm not going to be taking any more product from that brush, but I'm just going to start by kind of pressing at that shadow and kind of pushing it upwards. Usually I find that doing this wee technique, it just makes it easier to blend, so you're not actually going in and starting to blend out a blunt harsh line. So I'm also going to go into this shade from the palette. This shade is called Ellen, and that first shade I used was called Alok. I have noticed that this palette is actually, well, I'm guessing it's named after gay famous people and lesbians, because we have Jeffrey, Graham, Elton John, Gokwan, David Bowie, Freddie Mercury, Paul, I'm guessing that's RuPaul, we have Caitlyn Jenner, we have Ciara, I wonder if that Cara DeVella, whatever the fuck she's called. I actually think that's quite nice, and then like the pressed glitters at the bottom are freedom, inclusion, unity, acceptance, strength, expression and love. Yeah, I just thought that was really nice actually. I'm just going to take in this next shade just on a Sigma Precision Firm Blending Brush. So I also have the new Holy Boon palette here, so I'm going to take the black shade to even more further deepen that crease. Ta-da! Now just to introduce some yellow. This is the Revolution Pro Pigment Pomade in the shade Lemon Yellow. I was just going to cut the crease just with a concealer and then pop on a yellow, but I might as well just use this wee yellow pigment since I've never used this before. And I'm just going to use it to cut the crease, as I said, just with my usual Makeup Addiction Cosmetics concealer brush. Oh my gosh. I don't know how this is going to work, it just seems to be not creamy enough to work with. This wee pigment is actually turned out quite hard to work with, so that's why I just done the outline. So I'm now just going to go and actually clean and crisp that up a wee bit with a concealer. Just going to use the Sleek Life Proof one. So now that crease is cut, I'm a wee bit stuck on what to do next, so I'm not too sure on whether to just use this yellow or use this wee Stargazer eye dust. It's neon. Yeah, neon yellow eye dust. Do you know what? Screw it. This tutorial isn't going to be for everyone anyway, so I may as well prove that point by adding this. Okay, so I do really apologise about this, but as you can see, that yellow eye dust stuff is actually mixing with the bit of blue that I have coming through on my base, so it's actually going to be coming off a wee bit green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to take this entire bit off my lid with just like a baby wipe, and then I'm going to put a bit of clean concealer on it or whatever, I don't know, and then just come on and use the yellow pigment because it's going to mix in with the blue and then it's going to come across looking a wee bit green, and that's kind of just defeating the purpose. So I think there's somebody in my house. Okay, so this is proving harder to do than I actually thought it was going to be. So I just went in with the Revolution Pro Pigment Pomade. So I'm now just going to go in and use the eye dust. I'm just quite happy with how that actually looks, but I think I'm just going to try and go in with a wee bit of the Daly Splash Hawaiian Fizz glitter. I spritz my brush first. I've also came up with a predictable idea to do a blue winged liner with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sapphire, so I'm going to do a wing, and then I also thought that I would outline the cut crease in this as well. We'll see. So I'm just going to go with the NYX Vivid Brights Liner, and I think I'm just going to outline that cut crease, and then I'm going to go with the T lashes in the style Milan. So I'm going to glue these up, and while these are drying I'm going to do my liner. Okay, so it turns out there actually was somebody in my house, so I'm just going to have to switch to a voiceover, god damn it. So now time for my lips, and sticking to the primary colours theme, I'm just going to go for a red lip. So I'm just going to line my lips first with a W7 Lip Twister lip liner. And then for my liquid lipstick, I'm just going to use the Deck of Scarlet liquid lipstick in the shade Siren. These are honestly the most beautiful liquid lipsticks ever. And then for my lower lash line mascara, I just thought I would kind of change it up a bit and just go for a indigo blue mascara. I just thought that this would tie in really well with the NYX Vivid Brights liner and just kind of pull the entire eye together. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.